So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another vlog. And this one is it's kind of a vlog as well as is all about a place called Manasa Hills. And in this Manasa Hills there's particularly one spot which was shot in the movie Bahubali, and that is the place where we are going. So this a big enclosure which has a lot of open space, and yes, these are all hills. So the place where one of the scene for Bahubali was shot, that is where we are going. So let's check that out, and also when I said see how the vlog unfolds. To check out this view. So this is the place where the Bahubali scene took place, and check this out. So this is the shooting spot that I was talking about, where Bahubali and also the soon to be released KGF 2 was shot. Manasa Hills, a nice place to explore, and also some very scenic views in midst of this rocks. Wow, the look is really amazing. So if you do enjoy content like this, a sub to the channel will be massively appreciated. And exploring the bodies of Manasa Hills, and you can check out that the view is really awesome, especially this pond and the rock formation, really awesome. So as what I know, the black color is primarily been painted for the movie. KGF 2 is also something which I heard that it's been shot over here, which is not only neat but also mostly unexplored. So I hope my GoPro is doing a proper justice. You can check out this view. Yes, so wow, it's really nice, awesome. Awesome. I just can't say how awesome it is, because I'm in midst of all these rocks and there's absolutely no one, and the pond, the water, the greenery, the sound of the nature is totally awesome. So I think sometimes you have to do this kind of a stuff. You've been hearing a lot on the news about the quarantine which is happening, and I think something like this is totally refreshing.